Welcome back to my channel, and yes, it is time for a Walgreens haul. I went crazy, you guys know this. I wanted to get a couple other deals, but my store was either sold out or didn't have them tagged. So I will be going back again, and if I were you, I would be going back earlier this week if you guys definitely want to do these deals because people are going to be clearing the shelves. And today I did not clear the shelves, but I'm here to share with you guys what I did. Now I did two separate transactions, so I'm going to share with you guys my first transaction, which is going to be, I don't know, we'll just do this one. So the first deal you guys want to do is, if you guys get a chance to do this, this is the Tide Simply Fresh. I've never bought any of this stuff before, but this is $2.99. There is a $2 off digital coupon on the Walgreens website. You guys would end up just getting this for just 99 cents. So I think that's a great deal for laundry detergent. My store even had like the tag on it, so like they had to take that tag off, but 99 cents I think is a great deal. And the next deal that you guys definitely want to do is the free 8x10. Now I posted this the thing below, or I posted a video for it this morning, so you guys will definitely have to do this, but this is a one day only free 8x10 photo that you guys definitely want to do. If you guys can only order from your phone, I highly recommend just from your phone with the app. Add the photo to like your gallery, and then go to a computer and go to Walgreens.com and order it from there, because you can only do this on your computer only. But if a lot of you guys take good photos with your phone, then definitely add it to your gallery, and then you guys can go straight from there. But yesterday we went for a little walk, and I got Ben a cool little picture of him running, and I thought this is a great action shot. It's not blurry. Usually every single photo of this kid does not move. So I got this absolutely free. So we're going to put this on in an 8x10 photo, and I'm going to put that in a frame because I could not pass it up. So definitely do that, you guys. It ends today. It's a great last minute gift. Now I ended up getting the Colgate Total Max. Now, there are those 50-cent coupons that you guys... If you guys don't have those 50 cent, most of you guys should have the 50-cent coupons left. But these are $3, so 2 for $6. You guys want to use 2 of those 50-cent off coupons. You guys would end up paying just $5 for both of these. But then you guys will get 4,000 points when you buy 2. And then you guys would end up getting these each for 50 cents a piece, which could be an okay deal. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points, and you guys can get points back. So you guys will only have to pay like whatever other stuff you get. So I wanted to show you guys that scenario of the Colgate toothpaste. And then I ended up also getting the regular Colgate toothpaste, which is the same thing too. But I think the 50-cent coupons you can't use for the Max Fresh, but you can use it for the Total. So these were 2 for $6 again. You guys want to use two $2 off coupons that we got. You guys would end up paying just $2 for 2 of these, but then you guys will get 4,000 points, making it a $2 moneymaker. And you guys can do this deal in every transactions 4 times. Again, this is a deal where you guys can pay with points. So if you guys have 4 of these coupons, you can buy 4 of them. You guys get 8,000 points. It ends up becoming a $4 moneymaker. And this is the best moneymaker deal I'm just losing everything, you guys. This is the best moneymaker deal that I've ever done at Walgreens. I'm going to put these down because they're glass and I'm going to break them. So yes, I ended up doing the Band-Aid. Now I wanted to get some other deals for Band-Aids and stuff, but my store was either not marked or didn't have it on hand, or it wasn't the price I thought it was going to be. But I ended up getting these Band-Aids flexible fabric. Okay? Now there's 2 different scenarios for this, you guys. So for this, you guys, these are $4.49. Now my store did not have them marked, but they were on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. The reason why I knew is I scanned the item, it showed up on the website, it was buy one, get one 50% off, plus you guys get points. So that's how I figured out stuff when my store misses sales. So you guys want to buy them for $4.49, buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use those two $1 off coupons that we got from a while back ago. I can't remember, a couple inserts ago. You guys would end up paying $4.73 for this, but then you guys will get 3,000 points back, making it $1.73 or just 86 cents, which I think 86 cents for a Band-Aid brand is awesome. Now, after she scanned these, I had a Catalina that printed off for $3 off of 2. So I ended up having another one. I ended up getting, oh you guys, I'm just having problems today. I ended up getting another set of Band-Aids, which I'm glad I saved it for my second transaction, because, so I ended up using that $3 Catalina, and I had it in here. That's right here. I got this $3 Catalina off of 2, and it said off of 2 Band-Aid first aid products. So I'm definitely going to go back and do this deal, and do this deal, and do this deal, and do this deal, until, as long as this Catalina keeps printing off. You guys, I'm having problems today. So with the deal with the Catalina, again, $4.49, buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 Catalina. You guys would just get this for $3.73. You get that 3,000 points, which comes out to be just 73 cents for both of them. That's like 30 something cents a piece, which I think is a great deal, and you cannot go wrong with Band-Aids. Right now my son is getting hurt like left and right, and he wants Band-Aids, and I need to have Band-Aids in my purse at all times. I just need to keep a lot of these things with me, but I could not pass up the Band-Aid deal. So I'm definitely going to go stock up on more Band-Aids, and I know the sale's all good all month long, but I don't know how long this Catalina is going to keep printing off. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. I ended up getting the Walgreens brand waterproof Band-Aids, because why not? Let's just all swim in Band-Aids this month, you guys. These were $2.79. It was buy one, get one 50% off. You guys, there's no coupons to use for this. But you guys would end up paying $4.18 for these. But then you get that 3,000 points, making it just $1.18 or 59 cents a piece, which 59 cents for Band-Aids I think is a great deal. I mean, a lot of us get Band-Aids at the Dollar Tree, but right now you can get Band-Aids at Walmart or Walgreens even cheaper. Go for it. So had to get that. I ended up going crazy with the body wash, because I have extra coupons, and this is great for points. It also goes towards beauty. So there is that. I look like crap today, you guys. I don't know why. It's probably the weather. So the soft soap is $3.99. You guys want to use 2 75-cent off coupons that we got from our inserts 2 Sundays ago. You guys would just pay $6.48 for the soft soap, but then you guys get 5,000 points back, making it just $1.48 or 74 cents a piece, which I think for body wash, it's a great deal for 74 cents a piece. Plus, this goes towards your beauty. So if you guys get a bunch of this stuff, then you'll get 5,000 points again. So that ends up being like almost free. And so I got 4 of those. I'm just going to put these all back in the bag because it's easier for me to just go put it back on the shelf. And then I also did the Irish Spring deal. Now, the Irish Spring is $3.99. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons. You guys would pay $5.98 for this. But then you guys get 5,000 points for buying 2 of them. And this is a deal where you guys can pay with points along with the soft soap and the Band-Aids. You guys can pay with points and get points back. I know that helps you guys a lot. But you guys would end up getting 2 of these for just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece, which is a great, great deal. So I got 4 of those. So yes, I did awesome. And my store had a ton of the body wash, so I didn't like worry about clearing the shelves because there's tons for everybody else, but I will be going to more Walgreens this week. I am going to visit my mom this week, you guys, so I'm going to try to do my second Walgreens haul tomorrow, but I won't post it until Tuesday. So I'm going to go visit my mom. I haven't been home in 5 months, and it's her birthday, so we're going to go visit her. So I did 2 separate transactions. So again, I did the toothpaste deal. So these were each a $2 moneymaker, or for every 2. I ended up doing the soft soap deal again. They only had 3 different flavors, but you know what? Could not pass that up. And then I also did the Irish Spring deal again. Now again, I had a couple things I wanted to get. I wanted to do the Revlon deal, but my store did not have it marked, so I couldn't do that. I wanted to get the peroxide. My store was sold out. I wanted to get gauze, sold out. I wanted to get the Benadryl sticks, sold out. So I am on a hunt to find that. I don't know if I mentioned I wanted to do the Revlon, but my store didn't even have it tagged, and I had no idea what one it is. I wanted to get more Almay, but my store was sold out. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. So that was my haul. I think for those little items that I did awesome, you guys. Awesome. I checked what I had for points before I shopped, and then I checked while I was in the middle of the second transaction, and then I checked after my second transaction, and I'm just like, oh my god, the cashier's like, you only paid $9 out of pocket, and you ended up getting, $50 worth of points. I'm like, yes. She loves it. Some of these cashiers get super excited when they see what points I get. So let's get ready for the grand total. Now the first thing you guys also want to do is have the cashier scan that 10 times everyday points. I always make sure they scan that first, and then I ask for it back, because there's sometimes I forget to have them scan it. And if you guys ever forget to scan it, put it in your on your rewards card, and then sometimes if you forget. But yeah, 10 times everyday points, that's even better. So my one transaction, I ended up paying $30.52. Now please keep in mind I did pay like $20 with points, so I don't really technically pay that much out of pocket. But I ended up I paid $30.52, with that and with points. I ended up getting 39,000 points back. Now if you guys look at the back of the receipt, which I do not have, they have it where if you guys get 35,000 points or 30,000 points, that's $35. Plus that's 30,000 points, and then I got 9,000 more than that. So I ended up getting $44 in points just with that transaction. So that ended up becoming a $13.48 moneymaker just with one transaction. Oh my god, you guys definitely need it. This is probably one of the best weeks to stock up on items at Walgreens. I'm so excited. I want to go back. We're going to go out to dinner today, and I'm just like, I'm going to ask the husband if I can stop at another Walgreens that I've never couponed before, because I just want, you guys, when you have a drug addiction, it's like, I want more. Ah! The next transaction came to $29.42. Now, please remember, I paid with points, which you guys don't really care, but, I just want to let you know I paid with points. I ended up getting 40,000 points back. If you guys look at the back of the receipt, 40,000 points is $50. I got $50 back in points for my $20 purchase. So that became a $20.58 moneymaker. That is crazy. Did I even do that right? Yeah, 30. Yeah, so 29. So if you guys add both moneymakers together, it came to $34.06 moneymaker. Oh my god, you guys. $34 I just made in points. So now I got tons of points. So now, I like it. There are times where I hate using my points because I like to hoard my points. I don't know how you guys are, but I really like to hoard my points. I sometimes, a husband's like, oh, can you get me this? I'm like, yeah, but I don't want to use my points. I don't know why, because there's sometimes where I've gotten all the way down to like 20 bucks, and I like to keep a good chunk in my account, but there's time where I got like 20 bucks, and I'm just like, oh man, you guys, I feel so bad. But this is the most I've ever had in my account. I'm not going to tell you guys what I had because I've had somebody hack my account before, so I am not really making a big deal about that. But you guys need to go shopping, and you need to go to Walgreens now. So just letting you guys know. And also, the Colgate toothpaste does count as beauty. So even though you guys are paying, what, $1, you guys are going to pay $1 for every 2 of the Colgate toothpaste with those 50-cent coupons. It still tracks as beauty, so you guys will still get more money out of beauty. So yes, 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 yes. I hope you guys really enjoyed this haul. Please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more Walgreens haul. I'm going to do another haul for you guys. And I might do one when I come back, or I might do one when I'm with my mom. I'm gonna coupon at some other place, so we'll see how that goes. But yes, I just wanted to share with you guys these deals, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.